You've seen it, maybe you've tried to ignore it. That little gap between your wall and your floor, it looks harmless, right? Maybe just a little bad carpentry or shrinking wood. Hi everyone, I'm Justin here at Dalinghaus Construction. Today we need to talk about that gap, because while it might look like a cosmetic annoyance, it is often your house quietly telling you that something is wrong. It could be settling soil, it could be shifting foundation. But one thing is for sure, ignoring it won't make it go away. In this video, we're gonna break down exactly why your floor is pulling away from your wall, the warning signs that prove it's a structural issue, and most importantly, how we fix it before that small space turns into a massive problem. So, why is there a gap between your wall and floor? It doesn't show up overnight, and it definitely didn't show up for no reason. When your house starts pulling away from itself, it's usually a structural cry for help. Most of the time, this boils down to your foundation shifting, thanks to the soil doing what soil does best, moving. Here are the top 5 culprits lurking beneath your feet. Number 1, foundation settlement. Over time, the soil under your home can compact, dry out, or straight up vanish. If you're watching this from California, Arizona, or Nevada, you know exactly what I mean. We deal with expansive clay, droughts, and occasional monsoons. When that soil moves, your foundation loses support and starts to sink. The structure shifts, the floor drops, and bam, you've got a gap. Number 2 is soil erosion or poor compaction. If the original builder didn't pack that dirt tightly enough, or if you have drainage issues washing the soil away, your foundation is going to follow the soil. Number 3, and this is a big one for us, expansive soil. Think of the dirt under your house like a sponge. It swells when it's wet and it shrinks when it's dry. That constant push and pull creates stress points, leading to floor gaps and wall cracks. Now, not every problem starts in the dirt. Number 4 is framing or joist issues. Sometimes the wood above the foundation is the culprit. If your floor joists are sagging or your rim joist is failing, the floor drops away from the wall. It looks like a foundation issue, but it's actually just the framing. And finally, number 5, moisture in the crawl space. High humidity rots the beams holding up your floor. When wood gets soft, it sags, pulling the floor down with it. I know what you're thinking, Justin, can't I just caulk it? Sometimes, sure. If it's just a cosmetic, a little caulk and a fresh baseboard works fine. But how do you tell if it's cosmetic or if your house is waving a red flag? Here are the signs that this is more than cosmetic. First, uneven or sloping floors. If marbles roll across the room, your floor isn't the only thing off. Your foundation is likely shifting. Second, cracks in drywall. Walls are like skin, they show stress. Cracks at corners, seams, or window frames are classic signs of movement. Third, sticking doors or windows. If you have to wrestle a window shut, your frame is warping from structural movement. Also, look up. Ceiling or crown molding separation, gaps aren't just floors. If the trim above you is pulling apart, your whole structure is flexing. And finally, walk the perimeter. If you see cracks in the foundation or exterior walls, stair-step cracks in brick or crumbling concrete, that floor gap inside is definitely part of a bigger problem below. If you're seeing these signs, do not wait. Movement is active and likely getting worse. All right, we know why it's happening. Now, how do we fix it? Let me be clear, slapping on some caulk is just putting a band-aid on a broken bone. We need to fix what caused it. At Dalinghaus, we use a few different methods depending on your specific home. First up, push piers. If your home is settling due to a weak soil, we drive these steel piers deep into stable ground to lift and support the foundation. This is one of the most common fixes for floor-to-wall separation. Next, we have helical piers. Think of these as giant screws. We twist them into the earth until they hit load-bearing soil, then use them to gently raise and stabilize the home. If you have a crawl space and the issue is sagging joists, we use Crawlspace jacks. These are adjustable steel posts that lift and re-level the floor system from underneath. It's a game changer for sagging floors. And for those of you on a slab foundation, we have deep injection polyurethane. We inject a high density foam under the slab, it expands, fills the voids caused by erosion, and lifts the concrete back into place, closing that gap fast. We also handle post and pad replacements for older homes, swapping out rotting wood for concrete and steel, and helical tiebacks if your walls are bowing outward. The bottom line is, we don't guess. We customize the fix to your soil and your structure. Now, maybe you don't have a gap yet, or maybe we just fixed yours and you want to keep it that way. how do you prevent your floor from separating from the wall? It really comes down to water management. First, control drainage. Make sure gutters and downspouts are moving water away from your house, not dumping it right next to the foundation. Second, don't overwater. In Arizona, California, and Nevada, too much irrigation swells the soil. When you stop, it shrinks and that foundation drops. Third, encapsulate your crawl space. If you have one, seal it. Crawl space encapsulation keeps moisture out and protects those wood beams from rot. And please don't cheap out on repairs. Use pressure-treated lumber and the right materials. Bad repairs are just a ticking time bomb. Is the gap between the wall and floor dangerous? Maybe not today, but if you ignore it, it could be. It starts small, but it leads to cracked walls, sagging floors, and major headaches. If you're seeing that gap, don't wait for it to get big enough to lose your phone in. At Dalinghaus Construction, we've handled over 2,000 foundation and crawl space repairs across California, Arizona, and Nevada. Schedule a free foundation inspection today. We don't guess, we diagnose, we fix it, and we back it with some of the strongest warranties in the business. I'm Justin Sexton. Thanks for watching, and remember, never settle. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next home improvement guide.